Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 2-ingredient brownie, 3 ingredients if you want to have nuts on top. All right, so all we're going to need is 12 ounces of chocolate chips, and I'm using Lily's chocolate chips, 6 large eggs. You'll need your mixer, and you'll need a 8x8 cake pan that you can cook your brownies in. All right, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing we need to do in our recipe is to separate our eggs. So we need to separate our yolks from our whites. We're going to put our whites in our clear KitchenAid bowl, and we'll put our yolks in this bowl, okay? So let's separate them. One yolk. Okay, so we have our yolks here, our egg whites here. So what we need to do is we need to whip our egg whites, okay, until they are fluffy. So before I start the mixer, I want to pour our chocolate in here. We need 12 ounces of chocolate. I'm using Lily's chocolate chips. Okay. Each of these bags is 7 ounces, and then I had like half of another bag. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to put these chips in the microwave 30 seconds at a time until we get them melted. Okay? Once we melt these chips, we'll add our egg yolks into it, and then we will add our egg whites into it, and then we will put them in our pan and bake it. So let me stick this in the microwave, and let me turn the mixer on and start fluffing our egg whites. Okay, so let me take this to the microwave. Okay, so it looks like our egg whites look awesome. Look at them, all fluffy. Okay, super good. Okay, so let me finish melting our chocolate in the microwave. All right, so we have our chocolate pretty much melted. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take our egg yolks and add these to our chocolate. Okay, let's mix this together. Okay, so now we're going to add our whites. Trying to see how hot it is. The bowl's hot, but the chocolate's not really hot. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our egg whites and fold it into our chocolate. So let's start doing that. Here's our pan. I'm going to spray it. And we're going to put this in there to cook. All right. Let's go ahead and add this to our pan. Okay, so you can bake your brownies just like this, or you can add some nuts to the top. So let me get some nuts. I'm going to add some chopped pecans. This is my husband's favorite nut. So we're just going to put some pecans on the top of our brownie. You want, you could put these pecans inside the brownie mix, but I'm just going to put them on top. Look at how good that looks. All right, so let me put this in the oven. I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees. All right, so the timer's gone off. It's time to take our brownies out of the oven. Oh, they look great. Yummy. Look at that. Wow. These look great. Look at that. All right, so we'll let our brownies cool, and then we'll cut it and we'll taste it. All right, so let's taste our brownies. Oh, look at that. See how big it is?
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe